Hello and welcome to week 2. We are continuing our unit on evaluation essays. So last week you read about them, kind of started thinking, brainstorming what your topics can be. We're going to narrow down our topics this week. We are going to also create an outline for our evaluation essays. This outline is really going to help you hone in on what you're actually going to be writing next week on your rough draft. You are not writing your rough draft yet, so you will make writing your final draft even easier. So a couple things that we're going to be doing this week. So I know that most of you had English 1010. If you had myself or Miss Barry, you probably went over APA format quite a lot. If you didn't take 1010, or perhaps if you had another teacher, you might not have done that. So if you start going through this module, you'll notice that there are some assignments that if you've had me before, they might be review assignments from last semester. And that is a-okay because it never hurts to review things, so we make sure that we are doing them correctly. If you haven't done these before, or you're not familiar with APA at all, this is going to be a great jumping off point to get used to how APA format works versus MLA format, which you've probably used in most of your English classes. But as I said last week, when you get into college, professors will use APA format or MLA, and you kind of just want to know both of them. So it never hurts to know more things. So those will be some of the assignments for this week. Then I have a great assignment for you that is on how to develop the criteria that you are going to use for your paper. I think you'll find this assignment really helpful because it'll narrow down what exactly criteria is for this specific paper, and it'll give you some great opportunity to brainstorm that and have that out of the way. So when you get to your outline and your rough draft, you already have your criteria. You don't even have to think about it. We're also going to have a brief discussion looking at criteria examples in past essays. And then your last thing that you are doing this week is you are writing your evaluation outline, which I have another video for you that will go over all the directions for you. I'm loving getting to know you. Loved reading your responses last week and emailing with some of you, and we're going to have another great week. If you need anything, please let me know. Don't forget to check Remind, and we will see you in Canvas.